please do not hesitate to inform us so that we can take up from there. Once again, on behalf of His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari, the federal government, and the good people of Nigeria, and the Ministers of Foreign Affairs and Humanitarian Services, together, we want to sincerely welcome you all. As the processes begin, please let us be orderly. Let us be orderly. You are great Nigerians. You are back home. We do not have anything to be afraid of anymore. So we'll take you all one at a time, and we'll do our best not to waste your time. You're all welcome.
His